Good morning, children. Today we all are gathered here on the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. As you all know, that lovingly Mahatma Gandhi was addressed as Babu by all of our Indians. But his teachings of life are useful in that time also. Now in today's time also, it's very useful. Not only in India, out of India also, every people is eager to learn the way of his life and the teachings of his life. We will just learn few of the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, which we have to use, which we should try to use in our everyday life. Like the first thing, that we have to live our life to the fullest. Whatever we are having, like if I am having few things also, then also I have to enjoy with that things. I have to be happy. Okay, we should not expect that we need this thing also, and all the things should be with me only. We should have a satisfaction in us, and whatever we are having, we have to live our life to the fullest. Second, he used to say that we should always speak the truth. We all know that it's very difficult. Like we all think that how we can speak truth always. That many of you, like elders also many times used to say that there are some times when we have to lie also. But no, we should not think of the circumstances, like what will happen if I will speak the truth. First point was that we have to live our life to the fullest. So whenever we are living our life to the fullest, so we should not think that what bad will happen in the future because of if I will speak the truth. Okay, excluding all these thought, we should try to speak the truth always, and not only to others. We have to be truthful first of all to ourselves. If we will be truthful to ourselves only, then only we can speak truth to others also. It's very important. Be truthful to ourselves. Okay, like whatever, if supposingly we have done something wrong, then we must have the courage to accept it, that yes, by mistake I have done this wrong, and from the next time I will not repeat it, or I will try to correct it. Okay, and similarly his one of the teaching was be positive. Okay, like whatever a man thinks, or we can say that a person is a product of his thoughts only. Like whatever he thinks, he become. That's why it's very important to think positive. Then only we will be positive. Similarly, he also taught us that we should have a habit of forgiving others. Like if supposingly others have done something wrong and they are apologizing in front of us, then we should forgive. Reason is that he used to say that an eye for an eye leaves the whole world blind. This statement is having a very depth meaning. It's not important to do tit for tat. If someone has hurt you, it doesn't mean the same you will do with him. You can give him extra love. Definitely that person will felt the guilt that he has hurt you. Okay, so tit for tat should not be used. Whenever we are hurt or someone is apologizing in front of us, we should forgive them. Similarly, we should love our nature. We should learn to love others. Okay, learn to love other people also, as well as our nature, earth, because earth has enough to satisfy our need, but it doesn't have anything to satisfy our greed. So we have to end our greed. There are so many teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. Like if we are able to apply any 5 of them also, then we can be a great person. To learn more about him, we should learn few of his important books, like the truth with the experiments. Okay, or my experiments with the truth. So whenever we will read these books, we will come to know that what are his philosophy of life and how we can imbibe few of them in our life to make our life great. So children, it's not thus that we only read about Mahatma Gandhi. The main act is that we have to apply few of his teachings in our daily life. I hope that you will definitely apply few of the teachings and you will motivate your friends as well as family members to apply some of the teachings in our daily life. So with this note, I thank you all for meeting me, and we have discussed so many things about Mahatma Gandhi. In the same way, we promise ourselves, not to others, we promise ourselves that we will definitely apply the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, not all, at least few of them, to make our life great. So thank you everyone.